So today we're going to solve sample problems for gear design. So now we have number 1. A pinion is designed with 30 teeth and a module of 5 mm. Calculate the pitch circle diameter and the pitch circle radius of the pinion. So we have given a teeth is 30 and the module is 5 mm. And the required is a diameter and the radius. So solution, we have A for diameter. D is equals to module times number of tooth. So we input yung values, we have 5 mm times 30, natin 150 mm natin by diameter. So for B, radius, so we have R is equals to 1 over 2 times D. So ito yung values, natin 1 over 2 times 150 mm. So natin radius na 75 mm. And so for next, we have number 2. Two spur gears in mesh have a module of 4 mm. The pinion has 24 teeth and the gear has 26 teeth. Calculate the required center of distance between the two shafts to ensure the proper machine. So you have given a module is 4 mm. Number of teeth sa pinion, 24 mm. And number of teeth sa gear, 56. So required center of distance or C. So for solution, we have 110 mm. So module times the number of teeth sa pinion. So we have 4 times 24, we have 96 mm. And for the gear, we have same formula, M times number of teeth for gear. So we put ang value ng 4 times 56. So what ay diameter ng 124 mm. So for the center distance C, formula is diameter of pinion plus diameter of the gear over 2. So input values, we have 26 plus 124 mm divided by 2. C is 160 mm. And that is all.